sherpa stage mystery to it because cheap it out. Slieve Donard done the hardest way. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Jeff Greenaway Outdoors. You can see behind me Slieve Donard. That's where we're for today, but stick with it. I know we've probably watched Slieve Donard hundreds of times. Today we're going to try out an alternative route, and is it the hardest route up the Slieve Donard? We're going to hopefully take in Thomas Mountain, Millstone Mountain, and then upwards to Slieve Donard. It's a late start, it's 1:30, coming on 1:30 on a Saturday afternoon. It's not like us, we're not back in the house this time, but Stephen had a few errands to run this morning. It's his daughter's birthday tomorrow, Grace, 10. I know she's a big fan of the channel, so she likes to watch them all the time, even though she does give me grief about it. So happy birthday, Grace. I'll see you tomorrow. We'll kick on. We've just started the Donard car park, which I'm not a big fan of, to be honest with you. It's always quite busy. Fair enough, but we'll kick on. I'll bring you back up the river. Almost a mile in there, just crossed the third bridge. We just picked up a granite trail behind us, we're on it now. I was talking to Thomas down there as he came across the bridge. He's a bit of a trail runner, well, not a bit of a trail runner, he's a very good trail runner. Going by his Instagram, I should follow him, he puts loads of times up and all. Brilliant, good to see you, good meeting you. We'll kick on and then we'll start going up to Millstone. Well, that's Thomas Mountain first, I'm not actually too sure. But I'll catch up Stephen. Stephen trying to pour on, as usual. But I'll keep him in touch today. Near missed the turn off there. We're about not 20-30 yards up the road, up the trail. There was a wee slight turn off on a wee stony path, which will bring us to the wall, and then we'll see where we're heading to after that. Great views in from behind here. Spin you around. Stephen has put his house on it, that's Thomas Mountain. And over to Millstone, so we're going to head up here first, I think. Take that one off, cut across, and then up to the Slieve Donard. Whew, bit of a slog in here already. Might christen this one sherpa stage mystery to it because I'm not too sure. We're not even going by any map or anything. Well, we're going to use a map obviously, but no all trails or anything. But look at the views down in Newcastle. Unbelievable. Brilliant. Stephen's crossing the river and we're just going to go straight up it, Millstone. So I'll catch you there. Summit 1 done, Millstone. Let's go to summit number 2, Millstone. That's 2 mile. It's a slog, that one there. But like Hen Mountain, Knockcrea and Knockshee, the smaller ones are packing a punch. Great views. Down in the Newcastle, I can see the mountains on Isle of Man. And then of course, the beast of the Mourne Mountains, the highest of them all, Slieve Donard, where we're going. Quick drink. Thomas Mountain over here, and up to Donard. Here we go. Just going to follow this ridge line. Just to Thomas Mountain. I'll catch you over there. Mountain number 2 in the bag, Thomas Mountain. Forgot to mile check at the Millstone. It was 2 hours or 2 mile dead in the head and 1 hour and 15 minutes. Probably could have done it in 1 hour, but we did stand and talk to Thomas for 10 minutes or so. Not blaming you, Thomas, by the way. We're not allowed to break any records. Forgot to say that. But for the eagle-eyed viewers, something that might help us break records. We invested in a pair of trail runners. I'm loving them at the moment, comfortable, good grip on them. Merle's ones, I'll put the link on all in the bottom of the description. Doing really well today, like I said, comfortable. A joy to walk in. Might help us start breaking records. But we'll go up here again, and then that's the beast, Slieve Donard. Again, I forgot to say, that's 2.85 mile all in, 1 hour 41 minutes. Can't complain with that at the moment. Good pace set. And I'll spin you around. Let me see. Way over here, Slieve Comida. Good views, cracking views this morning. Like I say, seems to be the wee mountains a pack a punch up here at the moment. Great weather. First one we've done in the afternoon, I think. Can't complain. Next stop, Slieve Donard. Here we go. No point looking at it. I have to get into it. This is going to be a slog. We're leaving at 1 hour 52 minutes. Quick snack, and then attack this. It's going to be probably one of the hardest ways up it. Definitely. We did do cross one the other week. We never went up the Donard, but did look steep as well. Probably will end up doing that at some stage, but we'll get tired in. First blow, about 15 minutes in. That's not too bad. It's this here. Going by the contours in the map, they're very, very thin, which obviously means it's steep. The last couple of 100 metres, we're at 600. The sherpa says there in the background. So we're now 250 to go. It is looking steep enough, but we're here now. Believe it or not, the sun is out. Unbelievable for Northern Ireland, but we'll get going. Legs are on fire. Don't mind me. Oh, good grief. Can't even see the top. 700 metres, 154 to go. We're just going to push on. Stephen's kicking on. Jeepers. Summit number one, lesser one. I'll Slieve Donard. Tight, tight, tight. Look at that. Slieve burner, Cometa, Sean Slieve, or Sean Leave, I can't remember. There the castle. There's Stephen. That's it, the main one. Slieve Donard done the hardest way. 4 mile, 2 hours 57. Lunchtime, top of Slieve Donard. The new segment, question and answer time of only 2 questions today. Is that the hardest way up the Slieve Donard? Is Crossone harder? I don't think the main path is. Bloody Bridge is hard, but not as hard as that. And for summer months, the were trail runners or backlit boots. I'm definitely loving the trail runners at the moment, but leave the comments or leave the answers in the comments. I'll get tucked into my chicken and bacon sandwich here. Lunch, dinner, whatever that was there, done. Top of Slieve Donard. Unbelievable views today. I've done this 4 or 5 times in the channel, and every time it's been clagged out, but can't complain with this today. Brilliant. I think we're just going to go down the wall, follow the wall, into the saddle, down into the forest again. So I said at the start of the video, if you've watched Slieve Donard videos, this will be the main track down, so I'm not even going to bore you with it. I'll do a couple of clips on the way down, just to show the views. Next time you'll hear me, hopefully, I'll be at the car park. See you there. There we go. What a day, absolute cracker. Great hike. 7.4 mile, 5 hours 15 minutes from Car to Millstone Mountain, Thomas Mountain, up to Slieve Donard, down to the saddle, back to the car. I'm going to absolutely tan this bitter shandy here. I'm out of breath and it's been a great day. The Murals, trail runners, cracker. Question number 3, if you follow the channel, where did they get this from? This is lovely, so it is, by the way. Out of breath still. Just touching the hike up to Donard. Myself and Stephen and myself, scared of heights. And at one stage it was bad, a wee bit of a scramble, but we've done it, we got it done, in the bag. We're going to head home now. It's like at 6:30 now at night, in the evening. Stop for some chips on the way home. If you've watched this far, thanks very much for coming along, much appreciated. Like and subscribe for the weekly outdoor adventures. So without further ado, I'll see you next week.